Hi, this is Aisha Kapoor and today I have come to Celebrity Secrets in Hyderabad, specially from Mumbai after one of my friends suggested for V-shaped chin treatment since I have a double chin and not a proper jawline. After feeling to doctor, I'm feeling pretty much confident. Let's see how it works.
Is it unbearable?
It's good. So, well, my half face is done and at the beginning I was very nervous. I could feel a very light heat, bearable, not very unbearable, but I was feeling very disturbed because of it and very nervous. But Dr. Venkat sir did a fabulous job and it was so quick. I couldn't even realize. I myself asked him, "It is done? Is it done?" So my half face now is done. And this face looks a bit chubbier and this face looks more lifted up, and I'm very excited to see the other part and complete face look.
Yeah, hi Aisha. How did you like the V-shape treatment?
I honestly, ma'am, really loved it. I am still into shock that this thing is possible so quickly. I mean, the procedure hardly took 15 minutes.
Yeah.
And the doctor made me so calm, and so he kept on asking me everything, if I'm fine, I'm comfortable, and I'm still into shock that I just figured out that double chin is because of weight. Until I won't lose so and so weight, I won't get a proper V shape, and this was so quick, and I'm very happy and honestly loving it.
Whatever you do, particularly on the face, we can't lose fat on the face.
Yeah.
Because how much gym we do, how much exercise we do, losing facial fat is very difficult.
Yeah.
So that's why this treatment is very unique, and it's a blockbuster at Celebrity Secrets. All celebrities come here only for the particularly V shape, because within 15 minutes to half an hour, your face looks amazing.
Yeah. Really, even when I was walking in, the girls who saw me, they were like, "Wow, it's looking nice" or something.
Yeah.
And apart, I'm always continuously shooting some other thing, print shoot, songs or stories. So double chin was somewhere, this chubby chicks, double chin, this was somewhere taking away my confidence when people will say ki, "Oh, your face is looking big, contouring is required on face." This will take a lot of my confidence.
Yes.
So this is making me feel very happy, excited to now go on front of camera and see myself. How is it?
Yeah, because this treatment is very good and no side effect, and instant result within 15 minutes. First one, I think they showed you the first half of the face, right?
Yeah, they did.
So when you see the first half, how did you feel about your rest half?
So you also mentioned it to me, and even I could see it from my eyes. The part which was done already was pretty much tight, uplifted, making me feel like a younger child.
Yes.
The skin looks like how kids have uplifted skin, and this was looking like very shaggy, loose, chubby chicks kind of. Though it was my skin only, but still, it was. I could see that difference very.
No, actually, this is a very unique treatment where you don't require any surgery, you don't require any downtime, you don't have any side effect, you don't require any post care, first of all.
And one more best part is it didn't even require needles.
Yes.
I first had when we talked earlier, I thought we'll put some needles or something.
Yeah, that is called as threads, which it's not necessary when we do this.
Okay, so I thought it's needle job, and I was very
scared.
shocked. Needles is always a bit scary on face, especially.
I know. So this is a no needle treatment, and very happy, relaxing and safe. and very fast also, very fast and effective.
Very fast. I mean, was in fact asking doctor ki it's done. I mean, he was moving this thing, and I could feel the light burning sensation. Though he was very sweet and kept on asking me if he could increase the frequency or not, and accordingly we went. But in couple of frequencies, I felt like he said, "Okay, now you check, your half face is done." मैंने कहा, how is it possible? How is it done so quickly? I've been struggling for this. You know, I did all this face exercise and all to keep my double chin at least a day before for my shoot. So I was also very shocked how quickly it was done.
How much you do, that's what I'm telling. No, it's gym or exercise doesn't melt the facial fat and the double chin. So that's why people go for lipolytic injections, and this in your age, yours is a younger age. So happily you can go for the V-shape tightening procedure.
Yeah.
So people search for this and come all the way from so many places to Hyderabad.
Same here. I mean, I inquired, like I'm from Mumbai, and I inquired over this double chin treatments over there also. But I never felt very confident. But after talking to you, I felt excited and confident. Ki what will my face look like now?
Now you are happy, right?
I'm very, very happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aisha.